Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Okay.
Fun time with DissiNotRA.
What's up, everyone? Welcome to my channel if you're new, welcome back if you've been here before. But before we get into it, I know, as you can see, it's a different background. It's because I moved back to Germany, but we'll get into this in a separate video. Anyway, today we are going to review a really interesting software. Awesome lady Maria has sent me a code for the Lalal audio splitter. I hope I'm saying this right. Forgive me if I'm not. And right now in a second we're gonna get into it and try it for the first time and see what it can give. Now, just to make this clear real quick, what is an audio splitter? To be exact, it splits vocals or any instrument from any track. Meaning, like in this case, I have an old track, unfortunately from a friend that passed away, and he had the original files, meaning I don't have the vocals split from the instrumental, which is problematic if you want to mix the song. Even though the really awesome Ruben, aka T-shirt buddy, much love to you, already mixed it so good, but still, it would be so much better if I'm able to split the vocals from the instrumental track. Now, what we're about to get into is really a high quality audio splitting software. It uses world's #1 AI powered technology. So I'm really excited to try this out right now. That's why, without any further ado, let's get into it. Okay, let's start just at the beginning. So this is what you find when you open the page, Lalal.ai. Now, when you scroll down, you can see here, use the new algorithm is randomly turned on, so I leave it at that. Processing level, mild, normal, or aggressive. Let's just keep it at normal. We're gonna see how it goes from there. So I haven't used my license key yet because I really wanted to show you how it really happens when you go first on the page. Right away here it says select file. Let's do that. This is our file. Now I guess we can drag and drop, let's see. Boom, yes. Now we got this going on. And I forgot that my upload speed is still very slow in this apartment, so this might take a while. I'm gonna just pause the video in between. Oh, and don't hate on me because my microphone is so far up. I need this so that my posture stays the way I want it to be, because I don't want to sit like this. Anyway, we're at 100%. Let's see. Oh, we got a nice animation here. Processing. Cue up. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. I'm blown away. Done. Vocal preview, instrumental preview. 3 input tracks and 10 minutes total free. Process the entire track. Wow. 10 input tracks or 90 minutes total, $10. That's really reasonable. 30 input tracks or 300 minutes in total, $20. That's literally nothing. Custom, price on demand. All right, let me freaking see what we have here. I'm so excited. I'm so excited, I'm afraid to press play. Whoa, if that really split my freaking vocals from the instrumental, I'm gonna scream.
Polarity, similarity, philosophy on my mind, drifting away and find reason to be, ruin my thinking with one eye, holding on to my heartbeat, standing on my
Yo! Okay, first of all, you don't understand. I should literally show you the original track first. Don't get thrown off by the beginning, because the beginning has a lot of reversed vocals and all this like special schnick-schnack we say in German. I don't even understand how the software is doing this because there's so much effects on my voice. It's already been mixed 50,000 times by my bestie back then already, and then by my friend now. So the fact that they can split it, I mean, seriously, guys. So just so you can hear what's happening with the original track. I'm so excited. See what I'm saying?
On my mind, drifting away and find reason to be ruined.
Okay, first of all, I almost started crying. My best friend took his life, and this was some really good times. So, Jesus Christ, I didn't expect that. Anyway, as you can see, it was really a bad mix, and not the guy that mastered it, awesome Ruben right here, it was already like that, okay? So as you can see, it never got mixed, like we never finished it, and then he already passed away, and I never was able to mix it, and I wanted to release it for the anniversary of his passing, which is in September, and I never was able to do it because I just never knew how to mix it in a way that it sounds okay. But look at this. Okay, let's go to the instrumental right now. I am so flipping excited. Wow! That's too much emotions right now. Woo! Wow! Holy crisp balls. Okay, I didn't know this is gonna be one of those YouTube videos where the YouTuber gets super emotional. But guys! Dang! Good flipping job, guys! I mean, it's not only emotional because of the song itself, but because the fact that I'm gonna be able to mix it in a pretty decent way. Okay, I heard a little bit of the vocals in the background, like a little bit of the ad-libs and stuff, but who flipping cares? I mean, that's almost like the original instrumental. I can hear it in the vocals, they sound a little over-processed, but that's also not the fault of this program. It's the fault of how the track sounded before. Wow! Dang! Okay, get it together. I'm blown away. And remember, we didn't use processing aggressive. We used processing the medium one. I am so flipping excited. I can finally release the song. I didn't expect that. You know, honestly, what I thought this is gonna be like, sounds okay. But this? Are you kidding me? Okay. Now, as you can see, right here it says I have the activation code. Let's click on this. Look away! You will have one track in 4 minutes deducted. Oh, so that's what awesome Lady Maria actually meant. That's what it means. 10 tracks, 90 minutes. All right, here, process the entire track. Let's do this. Boom. I must admit, I never really believed that audio splitters work. That's why I really was not expecting anything. But this is flipping amazing. Okay, back to the page. We have here vocal full, instrumental full. Download, yes. Hell yes. Boom, here it is. And another one. Boom, here it is, downloading. Okay, so far so good. I'm wondering now how can you go ahead and separate or split an instrument from the audio track? Dang, I wish I would have a track right now where there's a piano played over a programmed beat or a guitar. We could just use a random track. There's enough out there, but we don't want to get copyright issues, so we got to stay with my own music. Actually, guys, I gotta do this again with aggressive, with the original track. Let's see. Look at this. It looks a little more natural, the waveforms, or am I tripping? Let's see how that is.
Polarity, similarity, philosophy on my mind, drifting away and find reason to be.
Okay, I can hear it's more aggressive. I mean, that's really the right word. It's more aggressively taking out the music in the background. Now I understand what that function does. Let's see in the beat. I mean, I must say, the beat has more bounce to it. I'm thinking about if I should download the instrumental track of the aggressive version. I think I'll do that. So, I think that's it so far. I think that made sense. I think you understand what's happening. I cannot wait to use this here 1,000,000 times again. Good flipping job, Lala, guys. And thank you, Maria, for choosing me to do that. I'm really extremely thankful. As you can see, it was not wasted. This is freaking amazing. I'm so thankful for this. And I'm so glad that I thought about using this track. This is exactly what I needed it for. And now I'm like, duh, I could have had this idea earlier, use an audio splitter. But as I said, I never believed that they really work. Yes, yes, yes. I can totally stand behind this. As you can see, it split my vocals even though it's so muddy, the original track. And even the overprocessed vocals and stuff really were split from the instrumental track. That's flipping unbelievable. All right. I have nothing more to say. I'm blown away. That was a cool rhyme. I cannot stay anymore longer for another songer. Let's get to the outro. Bye. That's it, everyone. Is that flipping awesome? Lalal.ai. 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 I don't know what I'm doing. If you like this software and you want to get into it yourself, you can obviously find all the important info in the link to the software below this video in the description. I'm very happy to announce that a lot of more amazing videos are coming now because I'm finally back in a space where I can work. And you already know, if you have any questions or ideas, let me know in the comments below. Can't even beatbox anymore. That's how long ago it is that I did the last video. And don't forget to check the links. There's awesome stuff to discover. And as always, much love to everyone. Stay focused and have a blessed now. Mwah!